Assalamu alaikum everybody and Jazakallah for being in. Just 2 minutes और इंतजार करेंगे and we'll get started with all the brothers and sisters as parents. Good to see you, Amir भाई, बशीर भाई. अच्छा है, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. Once in a while आप लोग को भी देख लेंगे तो बच्चों को तो रोज देखता हूँ मैं and वो मेरे को देखते हैं. कैसे हैं आप लोग? How are you all? Good. That दो शायद या कोई डिवाइस होगी या सर. I'll just mute it. मैं म्यूट कर देता हूँ. Okay. Good enough. Okay. Right. We'll just wait for 2-3 more minutes and then we'll get started. I think they should be okay with everybody. बस थोड़ा इंतजार करते हैं. I think we have. Usually I have counted. We can wait for some more time. It's good to see. I think I saw Israr bhai sometime back. Samir bhai is here. So when I say you all, so most of you are together. So it's okay. So आप लोग already अगर मुझे 15 नाम या 16 नाम दिख रहे तो मैं समझ सकता हूँ कि as parents you always got 12 to 13 parents. You got 18 parents in all as a family. So if you can get 18 of it. Okay, I see most of the sisters also in. Right. Okay. सबसे पहले तो हम attendance से शुरू करते हैं, right? I think parents just use your chat and tell your who all are around. I can see Saqib bhai in from Dubai, and I can see Aziz bhai in. I hope that's Aziz bhai with the names. I can see Danish and Sister Kainat in, Sister Mohsina in, Asim and Sister Rukhsar. So thank you so much, Amir, present डालने के लिए. I think it's Sister Madiha. Okay. Our media team head. Fantastic. You can keep raising your hands. हमको पता हम by the way we don't take attendance in the regular classes. उसके बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे. We'll keep talking about a lot of things. Let's get started and people will join us. दो पार्ट में इसको मैंने divide किया है today's session. As I always do, a first session a little easy starter. So कुछ ऐसी बातें करते हैं where we can just talk about something interesting, something more fun, और एक कुछ lesson लेके हम लोग जाएंगे. So hopefully, as always, we do some small lessons that we want to talk about. क्या सीख सकते हैं? So today's session, as all of you have seen, is boys will be boys. तो आप जानते हैं कि किसके ऊपर छुरी चलने वाली है. ईद आ रही है तो we have to start doing some part of practice तो होनी जरूरी है. And then of course we'll also be talking about हमारे sessions में क्या हुआ, what did we do, how did we end up talking about it. So there you are. दो छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं. I will start with a simple example of stories. क्योंकि लोग आ रहे हैं and we are just talking about it. Let me start talking to you. You can use your chat and you can tell me these. And I think some of you complain that we are not playing enough quiz for the parents. So एक छोटी सी कहानी है. You have to identify what stories they are. So you can start using your chats and tell me. I will show you some pictures और उससे हमारा आज का जो session is related. And tell me what stories am I talking about. Very simple stories. And we'll think about everything around. Right. I think Amir, you like the animations and everything around it. Simple stories that we're talking about. मैं आपको थोड़ी stories के नाम बताऊंगा, pictures बताऊंगा और आप you can unmute yourself. We are a very small team and you can tell me या आप मुझे stories के नाम बताइए या you can use it use your chat, or you can even unmute and speak up. So this is a story about. No, hold on, right? I know some of you are like, you already know a lot of stories. It's a story of a biscuit that runs away. And it is chased by a lot of people, including, an old teacher and yes, mashallah. All right. So should I, jiska naam hai usi ko, I will, even if Sister Mehnaz is writing, I'll say Sameer bhai, fantastic, gingerbread man, Sister Kaina, gingerbread man. So you all know the answer. Wonderful. Alhamdulillah, आप लोग ने अपना अच्छी खासी स्टोरी पढ़ी है. You know that. And अब मुझे पता है कि किचन में कौन रहता है. Sameer bhai is answering, and alhamdulillah. Sameer bhai, is Bilal confirmed? So उसकी officially आपको मुबारकबादी दे सकते हैं. तो हम देंगे तो फिर हमको दावत भी मिलेगी ना. So mashallah, Aisha and Mustafa keeps telling us every day कि आज क्या किया और क्या हो रहा है. Alhamdulillah, तो आप लोग के बारे में हमको ज्यादा अच्छे से पता चल जाता है. We are getting first-hand information. So mashallah, Mubarak for Bilal, and may Allah keep you all safe and protected, and all of us in the pandemic and anything, as a whole, we are a community and family. Drop a message to anyone for anything, Sameer bhai and sister. Great. Gingerbread man के बारे में क्या पता है? How many of you have actually fathers have been in kitchen? I mean, don't count Ashfaq because he has to be thrown out of the kitchen. वो खाने के लिए जाता है ज़्यादातर. या क्या बचा है? So I think all of you are trying a lot of cuisines. Imran bhai, I don't know if Imran bhai is around. I have to ask a lot of questions to him. So good enough. I'm getting some answers. Gingerbread man is good. Let's go to my second story. Hungry goats want to eat grass and decides to cross a little bridge. What's the... Yeah, right. Shavana Appa says that you are the neighbor. तो पहले सबसे पहले आप ही के पास extra empty बर्तन आएंगे. Right. What story is this? Hungry goats wants to eat some grass and wants to cross. Right. Shazia says Billy goat. अब उसके पास आया तो कोई और आंसर मैं ले नहीं सकता हूँ ना. So I'll tell her to give me only one answer and I should take. Okay, Billy goat is the right answer. ये शायद स्टोरी हमने पढ़ी नहीं है भाई. बकरीदारी, ये गोट्स वोट्स के बारे में थोड़ा सेंसिटिव मैटर है आजकल. बहुत हमको नहीं मालूम कि क्या होगा, मंडी लगी है नहीं लगी वो भी नहीं मालूम. So I will skip that. Right, Alfia ma'am, that's good to see your answers. Little girl visits a grandma who's looking different. She seems to have furry eyes, furry nose, long nose, or whatever. What story am I talking about? And this is something. Oh yes, Bashir bhai, we know some stories. Absolutely, this is the Little Red Riding Hood. Wonderful. I think you all are doing good. So far what we're seeing is heroes in the stories. और अभी तक तो हमको जो heroes दिखे, gingerbread man, the boy जो hero था, he was eaten up. उसको लोगों ने खा लिया. The girl, if the girl is a hero, and it has a lot to do psychology and the session I'm going to take today. If girl is a hero, she is actually ending up being a hero. Very interesting, and it's a part of research. All right, this is another story like the same thing with the goats. 3 pigs decide to make houses. They make houses of straw, they make houses of brick, and the wolf comes and huffs and puffs, and the houses come down. What story is this? Very popular, very common story of pigs around. Nobody? Oh, tired? All right, there you are. I think some of you are like, let's just get over this, and why am I telling all the stories? Okay. I'll give you, okay, right, okay. Ashfaq, pigs, pork nahi, haram hai wo, right. A little girl goes into a cottage, absolutely, and she eats some food, breaks a chair, goes into sleep in the little bed, and the homeowner comes in. Oh yes, all right, hold on, I'll take some more answers. I'm getting people answering. Very common story. Tell me the story of this girl जो बिना बताए घर के अंदर चली जाती है, बिना बताए खा लेती है. Right, absolutely. It is the Goldilocks. On a trivia, on a side note, Goldilocks, the soup that the porridge she drinks is the perfect porridge. We tell science students that this is like Earth is called the Goldilocks planet because it has perfect atmosphere, perfect environment for the life to grow. Very interesting. You see a lot of these stories. What are you seeing? Who is the protagonist? Who is the hero? Who is the main the character around which the stories are built in? And you will see, is it a boy or a girl? I know there are a lot of boy stories, but all right. No, I'm not talking about gender equality, SDG 5. No, please, Alfia ma'am, we are not talking about anything about women's right. Yeah, right. I know a lot of fathers also are there. But the point is, this is psychologically proven. Why don't boys read? No, very strange. This is strange to say. While of course, hopefully, hamare golden sperm, we will create different stories, and he'll create stories with boys as the hero. But you don't hear stories of, say, Transformers, or you don't hear stories. Oh, absolutely. Cinderella. Thank you so much. Both of you writing Cinderella. So we see a lot of these stories where either the pressure is on the boy. So Cinderella is another story. वो यही है. यहाँ आपके पास आ भी गया answer, and the pressure is on the boy. You have to save the girl. या तो ये बॉयज बेचारे इतने प्रेशर में रहते हैं कि मुझे या तो गुड स्मार्ट बनना है, आई हैव टू हेल्प एंड सेव द गर्ल, or else it's either the girl the hero of the story. And when you see stories like that, जब आप ऐसी stories पढ़ते हैं, the boys say good enough, मेरी गाड़ी कहाँ है, मेरी nerf gun कहाँ है, and that is when मेरा football कहाँ है. And that is why it is a recorded research that boys will not read if you don't tell the stories that they come in. These are common examples. This is where our research comes in. This is where what I want to talk about. Maybe I'll end this storytelling session to you, and you got the point. आपको वो एहसास हो गया कि हमने जो थ्योरी हम बना रहे हैं वो ये है कि the boys don't read because उनको उस तरह बताया नहीं जाता है. And as I said, this is not about the good boys and bad boys. It is about what are we doing with our boys. So I'll just give you a little example. आज का जो session है, we call it Boys Are Boys, and then we'll take a lot of conversation, a lot of discussion. 15-20 minutes only I'll discuss. Mashallah, just one good news, alhamdulillah, on my end, that I've been invited to be part of IIT Delhi's panel for pedagogy and education reform. तो उन्होंने एक छोटा सा पैनल बनाया जहां तकरीबन 100 स्कूल से हम बात कर रहे हैं, एंड प्रोफेसर हरीश चौधरी जिनसे मैं बहुत कुछ सीखता हूं और सीख रहा हूं, और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, एंड ही इज पार्ट हेडिंग द मेन ग्रुप. So उसके लिए I have to prepare a lot of series of lessons and talks along with a lot of research. So I've created a series called Priority Parenting. बहुत लंबा सा workshop है. So I said आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ तो I'll talk about one of them in Priority Parenting, which is the first lesson I'm talking about is about boys. Oh, Jazakallah, Qasim bhai, and all of you. It is actually, honestly, whatever I do, at the end of it, I keep talking about how do I incorporate this in Golden Sparrow. तो अगर मैं थोड़े और एजुकेटर से मिलूंगा, if I meet some new smart people, my first question is, आज सुबह मेरी एक आर्मी रिटायर्ड जनरल से बात हो रही थी और पहला सवाल मैंने ये कहा, सर आप कब आ सकते हैं as a guest lecture to talk to my Mandelas and rights. This is what I will be asking you also as one of the points I have in mind, that anything we do, all your travels, all your exposures, all your networks, we have to use them. So parenting itself, why are we talking about it? Isn't it? We have grown up talking so much about parenting. इतनी सारी हम parenting की बातें करते हैं. But the idea of parenting is we use every single technique. हमको जो ideas, हमको जो technique आती है, we use it to talk to our children, right? We are using every pointer in terms of, agar if you have to use pleading, bargaining, bribing, cajoling, reasoning, explaining, encouraging, suggesting, promising, threatening, screaming. Don't worry, right? I just know what I'm talking about. We use every single pointer to talk to our children. Especially pandemic mein, we are going and doing so much with our children, which is why I said, why don't we make it a priority parenting? You all are parents. वो आप ऐसे parents हैं for whom this is very important. Parenting is a priority. The fact that you have chosen this path, you have chosen to do something very different, because as a parent you believe in it. You believe कि मेरे बच्चों को कुछ ऐसा मिल जाए, कुछ नया मिल जाए where I can do better. Priority is where, how do I make it better? How do I take it a little leading? For example, अगर आप flight की queue में खड़े हैं, let's say Turkish airline की, और suddenly somebody comes and says we'll upgrade you. इसीलिए इमरान भाई से मैं अच्छी दोस्ती रखता हूँ कि हमेशा सलाम दुआ करता रहता हूँ कि कभी तो मौका मिले, कभी तो कोई 2 टिकट हमारे घर आ जाए, राइट? बट इमेजिन अगर ये अपग्रेडेशन आपको मिल गया, हाउ वुड यू फील लाइक? एंड दिस इज व्हाट पेरेंटिंग इज ऑल अबाउट. कैन वी अपग्रेड आवरसेल्फ एज पेरेंट्स एंड टेक दिस जर्नी फॉरवर्ड? सो आज का जो सेशन है, जो छोटा सा लेसन आई हैव टेकन अप इज बॉयज विल बी बॉयज. And I'll take a small case study. As I said, from the entire conversation I'm preparing for some of these schools and parents, एक छोटी सी केस स्टडी से मैं आपका शेयर करूंगा, and I see a lot of you will resonate with her. I have Abdul Majid bhai growing up with 2 boys. I've got the boys in Rizwani family up there. I've got all of you, Umar, Mustafa. Umar akela kafi hai, mashallah. And Aziz bhai, alhamdulillah, Ghazala bhabhi has a difficult time raising both Aziz and Umar together. So we see a lot of boys out there. We've got people in Golden Sparrow raising boys. How does it happen? You know, I don't know anything about raising boys, honestly. Mashallah, I've got 3 daughters. और कभी कभी ना मेरा जब झगड़ा होता है मेरे for my younger brother or my friends around, they said, दाऊद भाई, you have no idea लड़कों को कैसे संभालने का. I said, anyway, देखिए कभी आके मेरी बेटियों को उल्टा जब लटकती है तब आपको एहसास होगा कि दे कोई कम नहीं है. बट आई एग्री विथ यू दैट बॉयज आई हैव नो एक्सपीरियंस. ज्यादा दुआ मत मांगिए. मेरे पेरेंट्स ने डिसाइड कर लिया कि अगर और एक आएगा तो हम चले जाएंगे आपको छोड़ के. Right? So there we are. How do we deal with boys? I will be asking about you. A case study here about this lady called Lynette. Lynette was a super mom. Lynette wanted to do everything best for her children, and she had 4 sons. And this is, it's a very interesting case study. It's part of the movie series that we know. And Lynette हर कोशिश करती है to do the best mom. She cooks good food. She drops them to the school. She picks them up. उनके टिफिन बनाना, उनका health regime, taking them to the evening football classes, doing painting programs for them, spending time with them. And you know what happened after becoming a super mom? She's exhausted. She's tired. And Lynette says, I love my kids so much. Sometimes I am sad that they got me as the mother. कभी कभी हमारे अंदर वो इसको कहते हैं, इसरार भाई taught me this word, एहसास से कमतरी, low self esteem, that why are we the parents? शायद हमारे बच्चों को they deserved a better parent than us. और ये हमारे अंदर एक this comes in as a part of it. Parents aren't the people you become. Parents are the people you grow up into. You are the best parent for your child, and trust me, all we do is equip ourselves. हम क्यों ऐसा नहीं कर सकते? And this is the whole idea about it. So एक दिन, and this is a great lesson for the fathers out there. She's raising up these sons of hers. I'm just taking 2 of the 4 sons' name, and Jason and David. David 11 साल का है, Jason 7 साल का है. David has a problem with hyperactivity, overexcitement, overactivity, and David is in a big problem. On a side note, and I know our community, how we're talking about it, on a side note, when your children are disturbing you no ends, and I've seen that, अब तो मैं आपके घर में आ गया, right? Sometimes I see some voice being over, कोई चिल्ला रहा है बच्चे को, कोई नाराज हो रहा है, don't worry, it is only to me, or by the way, YouTube के recorded session में आप लोग की आवाजें होगी, and nobody's going to judge anybody. The same way I keep saying that, you are guest in my house as much as I am in your house. तो अभी यहाँ क्या चल रहा है, पीछे दीवार पे क्या लिखा है लड़कियों के cupboards में, is there cloth lying around? Absolutely okay. This is one of the rules of internet online session. Both of us are guest in each other's house. और guest का etiquette है, आप खामोशी से आए, आपको चाय दिया तो पिए, नहीं दिया तो बुरा लगेगा मुझे, अब मैं आऊंगा आपके घर में तो, but then you go away without commenting. You don't judge somebody's house. Today हम सब एक दूसरे के घर में मेहमान हैं. अगर आप if you're making a noise, if you're coming in, teachers are very very positive, very sensitive. They ignore it. कभी कभी वो खुद म्यूट कर देते बच्चे को. There was a case when there was too much of noise, we had to tell a child exit and come back again. It's absolutely okay. So one of the side points जो मैं आपको बता रहा था वो था कि इमाम अब्दुल रहमान सऊद, डॉक्टर सऊद, everybody knows, जो भी कुरान थोड़ा भी जानता है वो डॉक्टर. And this is not a religious story, it's just a story. It's just an incident about Imam Sudais. Imam Sudais के बारे में हम ये नहीं जानते, he's Dr. Sudais. He's a PhD holder from Imam Saud University. But जब छोटे थे Imam Sudais, like a 10-year or 11-year-old boy, he was super hyperactive. Like some of your sons, your sons better, or your daughters also. So instead of becoming angry, blaming the son, Imam Sudais की जो माँ थी, वो उनको, in an anger, she used to say अरबी में ना बद्दुआ नहीं है, तो she used to get angry and she used to say something. तो वो बोलती थी कि I wish, मैं दुआ करती हूँ कि एक दिन ऐसा आए, you stand before the Kaaba for few hours, world watching you and you cannot move. घर में इतना शरारत करते थे, इतना भागादौड़ी करते थे कि she used to say कि एक दिन तुम काबा के सामने खड़े हो और तुम 2-3 घंटे के वहां से हिल नहीं सको, दुनिया तुमको देखे. सुभान अल्लाह, लोगों को माँ की दुआ है. And today what Imam Sudais is, 4 घंटा खड़े रहते हैं तरावी के लिए, हम पूरी दुनिया देखती हिल नहीं पाते. तो नाराजगी में भी अपने बच्चे को कभी कुछ गलत मत बोल दीजिए. And that is a lesson I've learned. I have learned this lesson long time back. चलते फिरते दुआएं दीजिए अपने बच्चों को. साथ साथ बोलिए माशाल्लाह, अपने टीचर्स को दुआ दीजिए कि wonderful teacher, they are doing great work. Use positive language. That is one of the things. You have a problem, you are always welcome. Let us know. अभी कोई problem नहीं हुआ है, I know that, alhamdulillah. But even then, even otherwise, let us know. But always say positive things about the teacher. So this is on a side note. Arabi में कोई ऐसी, there is nothing called बद्दुआ. So whatever you say will be accepted. And that is what I keep saying. Say positive things. इसको reinforcement कहते हैं. Well, Lynette had a problem. इसको इमाम सुदैस की शायद कहानी नहीं मालूम थी. She is not a part of Golden Sparrow, Lynette, जो हमारी case study वाली है. So she was too tired. She had a problem. She was fed up. She wanted to be an over mom, जो हम कभी कभी करते हैं. Sometimes we make a mistake of becoming far more than we are. Be average, be okay. Don't be so frustrated when things are not working out because children are knowing that. So now what happens? उसके husband आते हैं लिनेट के, और लिनेट के husband ने he did one of the biggest mistake जो आप लोग सब जानते हैं कभी नहीं करना चाहिए. When your wife is down, don't ask क्या हुआ. The moment you ask क्या हुआ, you know क्या होने वाला है. वो लावा जो अंदर भरा हुआ है, वो वॉल्केनो है, वो बाहर आ जाएगा. और लिनेट के the Lynette's father, Lynette's husband just asked what happened. और husbands are someone like, उनको पता ही नहीं क्या चल रहा है, दुनिया इधर से उधर हो जाएगी. वो घर में अपने मोबाइल में है, ईयरफोन्स बहुत अच्छे आ गए हैं आजकल. ये नॉइस कैंसिलिंग ईयरफोन्स मैंने भी ले लिए कि मुझे पता ही नहीं क्या हो रहा है. किचन तो बहुत दूर हो गया अभी, राइट. आपको ओला मिलती रही, किचन में जाने हमारा कोई काम नहीं है. एंड एवरीथिंग केम आउट. This is what we call this is what we are saying. Absolutely. Thank you so much, sister, what you're writing, and I'm reading your comments also. Collapse of parenting. Indistractable एक नई किताब में पढ़ रहा हूँ. I have a book somewhere around. उसमें एक बहुत प्यारी बात लिखी है कि fathers don't even know how to contribute, and that's very true. Boys will be boys में ये fathers ही थे जो boys थे. आज हमको पता ही नहीं है. Maybe somewhere down the line, I'm not blaming our mothers all the time or fathers, but somewhere we were not encouraged to enter a kitchen, wash some clothes, help. So they want to help, but they don't know what to help. So this is the case of Lynette's husband also. उसको help तो करना है, but he doesn't know, and the mother is so busy, overwhelmed with work, she has no time to explain. So आधा घंटा रात को अपने आप के लिए रखिए to talk about it. And as fathers, I know, मैं खुद engineer हूँ, मैं जानता हूँ. The moment my wife comes and tells me मेरा laptop नहीं चल रहा, I start giving solution to her. I said, मुझे पता है तुम charge नहीं करोगी तो ऐसे ही होने वाला है ना. तुमको download करना आना चाहिए ना. And I know this is the same guilt I have. Stop giving solutions. Just listen. कभी कभी सिर्फ सुनना बहुत बड़ी बात है. Lynette's husband did a very good thing. He listened and he understood that the boy has a problem. But the problem doesn't end there. They went to a counselor, a therapist, who said this boy David, जो 11 साल का है, he has ADHD, attention deficit hyperactive syndrome. Right now, I'm not for medication. I'm very, very against medication. In fact, thank you, if Saqib Bhai is around. He taught me not to vaccinate my children, and I've not done that. I'm not getting into the debate. ये focus नहीं है हमारा. But the doctor prescribed a lot of medicine. It did not solve at that point. It did not help at that point. ADHD हो गया, पता चल गया. There was a time, and actually the case study that I'm telling you, where Lynette started taking the child medicine to herself. Lynette was so tired. Attention deficit hyperactive disorder. Thank you so much. My wife is correcting me. She's a special educator, so I'll accept that. Listen. जो मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको सुनना चाहिए. और वो गलत भी बोलेगी तो मैं accept कर लूँगा उसको. David understood किसका problem है. Somewhere down the line, we realized that the problem was not David. 11 साल के David का problem नहीं था. The problem was Lynette, the mother. And some of us, I'm going to be very honest, sometime aaj you are panicking more than your children. And I keep saying, it's okay. I encourage parents being in the vicinity of the child. आप जब online classes हो रही है, and we are not, I'm sorry to say, we are not a DP school anymore. You are a golden sparrow. Message, respect the teacher's privacy time, but don't worry about it. I've seen children switch off the video when a question is asked, and then the parent are whispering and sometimes they're answering. Don't do that. It's okay. Encourage a child. It's okay, beta. थोड़ी हमको कोई ऐसे भी golden sparrow में भी award नहीं देने वाले हम लोग. Encourage a child to fail, but understand sometimes you are having a lot of pressure. Lynette had a pressure more than the child had. So David understood. Lynette's husband understood there is a pattern happening. And this is a very common problem. Lynette had what we call bipolar disorder. Bipolar disorder is where she tends to forget. She has a little split personality. She goes back. Oh yes, mashallah, the golden sparrows are the prize. Absolutely, Shabana ma'am. And we are talking about this pattern that should not come to us. ये तो case study था. The pattern was Lynette would get overworked. And when she'll get overworked, her anger will come up. At that time, it is not about Lynette. It is not about her problem. It is where the fathers have to step in. This is where, as fathers, husbands, आपका नया role हो जाता है कि when you see your wife tense, when you see your wife confronting, when you see a problem out there, take over. And that is the only time I think your wives need you to take over. The only time they take over, just take the child and hug him. Dopamine की बात हम करते हैं, just hug the child. Ideally, hug the wife itself, right? But the point is, take over, do small things. अगर आपके पास छोटा बच्चा है, I know some of you, Asif bhai is having Isa around now. Sameer bhai, you have Bilal around, and a lot of you, Danish has Asma around. just, and I know you all are great fathers. I know you because आप मेरे दोस्त हो, right? Of course, अच्छे ही होंगे आप लोग तो. But the point is, just take that role. That's what Lynette's husband did. When Lynette had the pattern, and at that time, don't give solution, don't have problems to solve, because we are not engineers here. Just take over a new role as a mediator, as a negotiator. Oh, अभी मैं आपको कहानी बोल रहा हूँ. Yesterday I had a big problem with my eldest daughter. You know, मुझे एक तरह ऐसे लिखवानी है, शबाना मैम क्या persuasion देते हैं, वायरस को आप convince करो. I had a problem. And that time I realized I could not take it further. My wife took over. And all of you have examples. This is what he's talking about. This is the reason we are talking about boys will be boys. Why? Lynette had a problem with boys because as a child, her father didn't treat her well. She was the eldest sister with 3 more boys. And these are Christian families, large Christian families, जो आज नहीं देखी जाती है, but there's some amazing benefit of having a lot of kids. आज pandemic में पहली बार मुझे एहसास हुआ, when you have 3, it is great because you have people to play with. वरना हम बाहर फुटबॉल की टीम कैसे बनेगी हमारी, right? So I'm encouraging that, and this is one of the reason where it's a sign of a great family. Trust me, when a child is all alone, there is mobile then that comes in. Lynette's, the idea was Lynette was getting averse to the boy because she was being treated badly. The father's role is to understand that. On a lot of time, I give you some references all the time. One of the books I've taken for this particular case study is Michael Gurian's book, The Wonders of the Boy. इसमें बहुत प्यारी बात वो बोलते हैं, वो कहते हैं कि at the end of the day, the statistics are damning against men. Why? Because look at the way the boys are treated. अभी मैंने आपको कहानी से बताया. Cinderella में the pressure is on the boy to help him. Rapunzel में the pressure is on the boy to help him. Snow White में the pressure is on the prince to help him. Hansel and Gretel. Everywhere there is a pressure on the boys to be better. And these stories are not helping us. We need to change the stories. Little Red Riding Hood, the heroine is better. In 8th grade, Michael Gurian अपनी किताब में लिखते हैं, more boys are held back than girls. ये हमारे पास की statistics है, and that is how we have become. 2/3 of special education children are boys. 10 times boys are more likely to suffer from hyperactivity. Another research says boys are more likely to commit suicide than girls. 71% boys are more likely to be suspended at least once from the school. तो क्लास से बाहर कभी शायद लड़कियों को बहुत कम निकाला है. We have people, like Sister Madhiya है, Shabana मैम, आप लोग सबको तो definitely स्कूल में allow नहीं करना चाहिए था. But otherwise, we are the men who have been, and these are what men have to understand. When you grew up with that, you have to understand that boys will always be boys. Boys will become men. When you have a trouble understanding the boys, take over. आपका role है to understand, I was a boy once, and how did you feel and how did you behave? अगर वो शरारत नहीं करेंगे तो how will you enjoy? You come and look at my classes, the way they doodle around, the way they gang around, the way they have fun. But that is what we are talking. We are not speaking about, we are a small school, and I'm very proud about it. Unschool बोलना चाहिए मुझे. That's what Golden Spire is about. I will look at them, I will study them, but at the end, I will allow them the freedom. And you have to allow the freedom to them also. So remember, this is more of a message for the fathers and less for the mothers. Let's step up our A game. And then what we learn about the second part, ये 2 part का session है. So second part, I'll quickly run through. And that is the story where they say in Cinderella, and they lived happily ever after. आराम से अपने अपने पलंग में अपने अपने साइड में दोनों जाके सो जाएंगे. ये हैप्पीली एवर आफ्टर हमारा तो होता है, राइट? अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि एकदम एक दूसरे से खुश रहेंगे तो फिर all right, so there you are. So one of my teacher, Alfia ma'am, you can tell us about it. One of the complaints is the boys say that ma'am doesn't hold the girls accountable, and that's exactly true. Sometimes boys are the culprits. They may be sharar to hain, but we are too, we praise the girls too much and don't praise the boys enough, and that takes, sometimes it hurts them. That is what it takes, courage to say the truth. Oh, there you are. So Sister Madhiya says that, but you know what? The happily ever after is 7 years in the United States. ये happily ever after की जो कहानियां हम लोग बनाते हैं ना, and we lived very happy. Pandemic में, each of you have started to bear each other. This is the rate of divorces in United States. And I'm not saying because the statistics US की सादा available है. What is the problem in our marriages? And it always boils down that it is a team. हम 2 लोग team बनते हैं. So the point is, what makes a good marriage? What are the ingredients of good marriage? Maybe, I should ask some of the brothers to come up and tell me. I think all of us will have a problem at home. आजकल स्विगी खुल गया, by the way. आसिम, कुछ बताना है मैरिज का सीक्रेट क्या है भाई? देखो, ये सीक्रेट है. आसिम बोल रहा है खामोश रहो, ये सबसे अच्छी बात है. या कुछ बोल सकते हैं आसिम?
खुद भी खुश रहो, उसको सामने वाले को भी खुश करो.
अच्छा, मतलब तोहफा लेके आओ, ये बोलना चाह रहे हो?
हाँ बराबर.
Right, that's true. You know, ये सारी चीजें हम जो सोचते हैं which makes a good marriage, love तो by the way वो साल डेढ़ साल में खत्म हो जाता है शादी के, right? वो जब बिल भरना शुरू होते हैं हम लोग तो वो लव खत्म हो जाता है. वेल्थ, यस. प्रॉपर्टी जितना ज्यादा रहती, प्रॉब्लम ज्यादा रहते हैं मैरिज में. शेयर, अट्रैक्शन, इन्फैचुएशन, फेम. अट्रैक्शन तो पता नहीं भाई, वो लास्ट कब देखा, फोटो में देख लेंगे वो अच्छे दिखते थे कभी हम लोग, आजकल तो राउंड शेप हम लोग ले लिया है, राइट? इसलिए कंदूरा पहन के घूमते हैं. दिस इज एग्जैक्टली वेयर मैरिजेस एंड. You know, these are not ingredients of good marriage. Look at Jeff Bezos. This man is the richest man in the world, and this is exactly where he failed. You know, इतना busy हो गया अपने business में, and we are not saying it Jeff Bezos, but Jeff Bezos ended up, and who was happier after divorce? The wife, because she got more wealth than she could ever gone. वो Amazon जो smile है वो उल्टी हो गया Amazon की. This is not what marriage is about. दो ingredients जो marriage को बनाते हैं, and is trust and mercy. I think ये जो चीज है ना, एक होता है एक दूसरे पे भरोसा करना. Are you dependable enough? That's the key word. You know, can you be dependable? You know, small thing like चूल्हा बंद कर देना या you know kitchen में जाके stove off कर देना. You put a timer and be dependable, and that is what we talk about. And mercy. I keep repeating, it's not the temperature, it is the thermostat. You know, it is the temperament, not the temperature. शायद अगर मैं कहूँ रोज झगड़ा होता है, एसी बंद करो एसी खोलो, तो सही बात है. अच्छा हो गया कि हमारे बच्चों को एसडीजी सिखा दिया. तीनों बेटियां आके बोलती है अब्बू ग्रेटा थनबर्ग एसी बंद कर दीजिए. तो अब तो प्रॉब्लम ही सॉल्व हमारा हो गया. और बड़े बड़े आप लोग को भी बिल आए, एमटीएनएल के बड़े बड़े बिल आए, राइट. खाली तपस्वी पन्नू को नहीं आते हुए हम लोग को भी आते हैं. हमारे भी एमटीएनएल के बिल बहुत बड़े हो गए. तो पॉइंट इज, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग यू. और ये शायद छोटे छोटे रिमाइंडर्स हैं. Trust and mercy are very small reminders, but today we can be a little more smiling, little more accommodating, little more happier, because you know, trust me, Allah ने हमको बहुत कुछ दिया है, and we are very happy in the way Allah has given us. You know, our children are learning, and they are doing good work. Now, I got a complaint from a mother from a school where उनकी revision test हुई और revision test में बच्चे को 2 or 3 marks दिए, and the child said, I will never sit for an online class. I think it takes a lot of courage for what we have been doing. I will come back to the share a little later. But this is a small session जो आप लोग से मैं share करना चाह रहा था on parenting. I know most of you know about it. I'm thinking that you all are doing some amazing work. You're doing some great work. We will open the floor for any questions. I have some pointers to share with you. थोड़े pointers हैं in terms of what is happening, and then we'll go ahead. Are we doing good? All okay? दो तीन लोग, you know, you can just comment on how are the classes happening now. Any suggestion that you want to add to? Good to see, mashallah. Oh, in fact, I should invite you all. A lot of Saqib bhai, if you are there, just you know, use. I see a lot of your children, alhamdulillah, opening up, talking. I would have never seen Abdullah and Muhammad speak so much. I'm so happy to see Manha responding. You know, Qasim bhai, you should see videos where, you know, I've seen Humaira using the voice of shouting against. And I want, you know, our teachers to come and share their ideas of what's happening. Sister Mumtaz, Jazakallah, I think you're doing a lot of work around with the hospitals and all. How is the situation? How are you seeing Umar and Ali? Just, you know, share. This is what, and I have a few points to say.
Yeah, I'm finding a lot of confidence in Ali. He's confident enough to use the Zoom, the online teaching. He knows when to unmute, mute. That gives him confidence. And yeah, he's paying attention. He's becoming responsible. And in fact, even after the break time, they have a eye on the watch. So when it is like 12, now they have to go back. They come in the break time, then they start playing with Usman, and they're playing, and then they realize, okay, it's 12, now we have to go back. So they're back in their den.
That is wonderful. It is, yes, mashallah. And I see, yes, thank you so much. There is a gang time happening. They doodle around. Thode bache rights ke, they don't go, or they want to talk about it. It's good that they themselves want to come. I'm so happy about it.
The one question is there, football kab chalu hoga?
I think I should asking you. You know, the moment our Golden Sparrows official doctor gives us an NOC, we will go out.
No. It's still not. We have to wait.
And you know, sister, you don't have to tell. सबसे पहले तो शरीफ भाई फुटबॉल लेके आ जाएंगे.
Yeah.
You know, हमारे कैप्टन वही है. क्या बोलते हैं? You know, बशीर भाई, आसिफ भाई. I think he's the captain.
He's waiting.
Yes, उनके oranges और उनके football famous है. You know, okay, so I know around.
Time. Going to take time.
No, I think what I'll do is I'll share some of the slides, and you can ask me questions. That is what we want to talk about it. just updating. I think आप लोग सबको मालूम है, I'm not here to tell you, but there were some great things happened, alhamdulillah. Thanks to all the teachers. I've seen some great, Shruti ma'am, I don't think she's around, but she's been brilliantly talking to the kids, the way she's been doing. Alfia ma'am is, the children are so happy to anyway have her around. I have to go and show the clock. Aapko class band karni hai. She's, excited with the kids around. But overall, what I'm seeing is the kind of momentum the teachers have taken with the kids. And Jazakallah for all the positive points. You can also criticize. You can tell us all the pointers. So we had 3 events, beside the smaller ones. Number one was, oh, thank you so much. Manha has been logging on because she's loving the session. Really, absolutely wonderful. No, the kids have a voice. I was speaking to Anas. Aaj ek example mein de raha hu, just for Anas. I didn't like Anas's DP because me bada grim lag raha tha. I said, Anas, your DP is not good enough. The session chal raha hai abhi to, and I know even I can't do it. How did he change his DP? Session abhi to chal raha hai, and I could see the new DP. Anas is the new Spider-Man. And I think I blame Shabana ma'am for all the Avengers thing. Wahan complain aayegi, right? But it is brilliant the way they are talking about it. They rename themselves. My invisible friend is Rushda. And suddenly today I was scared. There was somebody with no name. Naam hi nahi hai. I said, no, I'm worried कि Zoom में कौन आ गया. And then suddenly, Mohammed, abhi class nahi hai beta, ab jao. Right? Mohammed is there. Rushda is like immediately, she's like, I'm there, I'm the person, and the backdrops are wonderful. There's a pancake of Mustafa backdrop. Oh, I mean, these kids are doing great. So by the way, अगर आपके बच्चे छोटे क्यूरी के ज़्यादा ड्रामा कर रहे घर में, ज़्यादा बहाना कर रहे, तो we are teaching it to them, right? Blame us, but there is a drama theater happening now for them. We've got a great drama teacher. I'm sure all of you know about Helen O'Grady. Helen O'Grady is a brilliant program. Yes, Ibrahim has taught you virtual background. I think we are learning from them. Helen O'Grady is a great program that I always wanted to have. In the pandemic, I could get a great teacher. We just did 2 sessions for them. Ye week nahi karke, we'll start again after the assessment, again sessions for them. And I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Kasim bhai and sister, that Humaira coming out. I can see that. Yes, you see, some of the kids, and I know the challenges our kids have gone through. Somewhere they've come, kabhi kabhi wo language se dar jate hain. They don't want to face it, but slowly that will happen. We are just 1 month here. We've not even started real time classes, but the fact that they're coming up, QE, the entire program in QE speak up. And there is no reprimanding. Sometimes classes come in. I saw Humaira come in other class. Aisha Aga came in other class. I was okay. You want to stay back. And they themselves are responsible. If ever, I got a great feedback from Amina the other day, and Amina says, sir, could you tag? And I said, I don't hear all the lectures, but because of this little girl's request, I'm starting tagging all the YouTube videos, hopefully, so you can search them better. Of course, we already had a movie watch. So Saqib bhai, right? Our kids are already watching movies. So there was a wonder. Thanks to Ashfaq, he had some sharing to everybody. So, and by the way, वो already रोज कुछ ना कुछ देखते हैं. They are learning about it. A lot of things have happened in and around it. अगर कोई और मूवी देखनी तो अर्तुरुल भी बहुत फेमस है. हमारे पास ऑलरेडी अर्तुरुल गाजी है, अगर आपको उनको देखना है तो, right? And the kids are talking about these heroes. So it's good. They are speaking. They are doing a good work. We've got a lot of guest lecturers, and here I want to do a little bit of conversation with you. We had Roberto and Oscar. This is Spanish baat karta hai, but I was so happy. The etiquette my kids showed. I think some of you told me that they wore new dresses and came in. I'm sorry, I don't wear any shirts when I talk to you, but कभी-कभी मुझे लगता है कि I could see बच्चों की वजह से मैं भी I took a vest, एक कोटी पहन के आगे का भाई अच्छा तो दिखना चाहिए. Guests are coming in, they're talking. There was Mr. Iqbal on design thinking. And I saw some of you doing very good. I don't see Abdul Majid bhai around. If he's there, Abdul Majid, speak up. But I heard some of your lectures. मैंने आप लोग के lectures सुने हैं. I would request that if you think you can come and take a guest session, please come and do that. Oh yes, Shivana ma'am. The rights were poised and confident, and they wanted to look good. More than you coming in, you can be a guest. You can take up a short session. It could be anything from animation, from what is happening in the world, from business, from bargaining. जो आज business studies. Imagine आपके बच्चों को गुजराती business studies सिखा रही है. तो वो अंबानी वाली फीस है हमारे पास. तो डोंट वरी, वो आगे बढ़ेंगे हमारे बच्चे. और अगर कल negotiate करेंगे तो don't worry. This is what is happening around it. You can look at your network. Sisters, you all know so many people, educators, aap jante hain. Some of you from Sophia College, some of you have some good friends around. Invite your friends and tell that I have, and I'll send you a small note. मैं आपको note भेजूंगा. You can tell them you can come and take guest lectures. Next week I have a guest lecture from a lady who's doing upgrad sessions. Ronnie Screwwala, someone that we know. So very welcome. Yes, Shabana ma'am, you are requested to be in QD also. Okay. So we are looking at that point. two small announcements, and I'll open the question answer floor. Very importantly, learning is happening. Some of you may be concerned. ये थोड़े pointers थे मैं जो आपको देना चाह रहा था. Before I go in, I'll share this one. Google Share and Drive. I'll talk about it. So learning is happening. So anybody who is worried, now I'm opening the floor. That ऐसा नहीं है कि आपके बच्चे नहीं सीख रहे. Please remember, they are learning enough. Curie के लिए I'll tell you, we are taking little slow on writing. मैं अभी I'm not insisting. एक महीना हुआ है. Remember, I'm talking about today's date. So we are looking at 18th. We started on 8th of June. So तकरीबन 40 दिन हुए, right? आप 40 दिन में तो खाली उम्रा करके आते हैं, right? So we are doing just we are refreshing ourselves. We are doing better work. Curies will write more. We are not using a lot of books for them right now, but this is happening with Curie. They have become tech savvy. Okay, great. This is wonderful. But we are doing a lot of experiments with them, and that is where I need your support. For example, अभी एक candle experiment हुआ. Anytime, if we are getting very heavy on requirement, please tell me and I'll stop. I'll reduce it. But दो चीजों के लिए हम आपसे request मांगते हैं. कभी कपड़ा मांग लेते हैं, कभी pen मांग लेते हैं. So I keep telling you about arts classes where Aparna ma'am comes in, a brilliant artist herself. She is in Malwani Malad, I think. The technology has helped us. So तब उसके लिए थोड़ी requirement रहती है. And the experiment the Curies do, we call the SDG experiments for Curie especially. Mandelas and Wright, they do something a lot, but the Curie is also doing experiments. So ये दो चीज हो रही है Curie के साथ. With regards to Wrights and Mandela, I already mentioned we have guest lectures. Only one request is, as I said, sometimes the kids switch off the videos, maybe because they want to talk to you. So allow, I don't mind if you're around, and I'm encouraging that. If you want to be around, but allow them space also. Just allow them space to be somewhere, come confident. Tell them, open your speaker, speak about it. I don't think teachers are who's going to reprimand with a wrong answer. They only encourage them. We use a lot of breakout room, ek dusre se baat karte hain. So one of the only requests is, don't push them to give right answers. As some of us might be wanting. I know as a parent, I want my child to answer. As a father, I go back, I hear Juwairiya something. I say, Juwairiya, ye answer ho sakta hai. And this is natural. It's okay. And because we are all around them, especially the Wrights and the Mandelas, I have no problem. They are super confident. They don't want you around. Curies, they might need you, but it's okay. Allow them. One request, some of you, I think, invest in a good earphone, headphone. Spend some time. Amazon will be delivering in a week's time again. Some of us have problem with the headphone. वो noise आती है. तो क्या होता है कि sometimes the teacher always requests the child to mute the sound. I know we are not living in huge places where हमारे पास बहुत जगह है. You may have your classes, but a lot of time we hear the background noise. तो मुझे अभी पता है कि आप क्या बुलाते हैं. तो I heard a father background. I know he's a good friend. चलते अरे आपकी वो मम्मी फिल्म स्टार है ना, उसको बंद करने बोलो. ऐसे लोग hold on म्यूट करो बच्चे को म्यूट करो. बहुत सारी न्यूज आ रही है मेरे अंदर. So मुझे मालूम है कब मेड आ जाती है, तो ठीक है मेड को हटा देते. किसके घर में मेड है मुझे मालूम है. So I'm going to talk to you individually. भाई आपके घर में मेड क्यों आती है, हमारे घर में नहीं आ रही है. But don't worry. Otherwise, as I said, हम एक दूसरे के मेहमान हैं, हम गेस्ट हैं. There is no invasion of privacy. You are very comfortable in your houses. Switch on your videos. Nobody's judging. If ever something comes up, you say, Daud bhai, I think the video was on and there was a lot of noise, I will delete that part. अगर कभी ऐसा हुआ तो I'm sure there is nothing like that. Alhamdulillah, you all are very, very confident. So only request is what you call support. Sometime it might become that you are prodding the child. So it's okay. Let the child answer. Don't ask the child to solve with you and then give the right answer. That's one. And then switching the video off, encourage the child to keep the video on. And I know some of the kids put the videos off, and I'm okay with that. We are not going to push them. The only thing I'm saying is, inshallah, we are going to start a lot more of these activities and the kids will open up themselves. ये थोड़े points थे मेरे साथ. और दो messages हैं. Assessment week आने वाला. From Monday, that is 20th, we're going to start assessment. Don't worry, आप लोग का assessment नहीं है. बच्चों का assessment है. They'll be given flipped classrooms. एक घंटे में उनको आंसर सॉल्व करने हैं. We'll be teaching them how to solve. If they use internet, if they open the book, it's okay. डॉक्टर सुगाता मित्रा कहते हैं कि पीएचडी रिसर्च ऐसे ही होता है. हम लोग हमारे बच्चों को एकदम so it's okay अगर आपका बच्चा is opening is Google and solving answers and you finding it, don't stop them, allow them. My point is they know the answers, that is more important, and the teachers will explain to them. My request is please use Google Classrooms. Some of us have been using very regularly. कभी कभी हम भूल जाते हैं. Trust me, Google Classroom is far more easier than the app we're using. NTAB, कोई हम स्कूल के जो ऐप यूज करते थे, Google Classroom is much more simpler. Keep using Google Classroom. I know some of you may have to use it twice for 2 children, thrice for 3 children, but that's one step you can do. आप share कीजिए. Fathers can take up for one child, mother can take up one child. And number two, all those parents who don't have the books now. तकरीबन सारे पेरेंट्स के पास बुक्स है, पर अगर आपके पास बुक्स नहीं है, आई हैव क्रिएटेड अ ड्राइव वेयर पुट ऑल द पीडीएफ. send an email to me, for example एजाज भाई, साकिब भाई, अगर आप लोग अस्मा आपा कोलकाता में 3-4 जो आप लोग मेरे दोस्त हैं who have added on to this only for the 3 months, ask me and I'll give you the access to the drive so you can download all of it. So this is what I wanted to share with you. Maybe we'll open up some more pointers. We have got 15 minutes. Any suggestion, any pointers, any feedback is welcome, positive, negative. I will want you to speak up. So go ahead, inshallah. Yes, open book exams. We are not saying them to open book. We're saying go ahead and find the answers. How is it going, Bashir bhai, Amir, Saqib bhai, Imran bhai? Go ahead. Just go ahead, unmute yourself and speak up, please. I think Asif bhai or Sister Shamila is not there. जो भी है इंशाल्लाह, just share any pointers. कुछ चीज मेरे से रह गई है. शाजिया, शबाना आपा, अल्फिया मैम, did I miss out some pointers to convey? आपसे अच्छे तो बच्चे मेरे से इंटरेक्ट करते हैं. No, it's okay, absolutely okay. So I think, by the way, ईद की छुट्टियों के बारे में I'll talk about it. Yes, आमिर और रुखसार सिस्टर, आपने सही बोला. Speak up sessions for parents. Thank you for asking this question. By the way, Monica ma'am के साथ we are going to have a mother's fitness thing. No, fathers का मैं इसलिए नहीं रखूंगा. We don't want to embarrass ourselves. You all are more fit. So with Monica ma'am, it's a video off session. आप मोनिका मैम को देखिएगा और we will have a proper session for mother's fitness. Who wants to lead? I want one mother to be a leader for that wo session. You have to be responsible for all the mothers to come in. I can only see 2 or 3 mothers who are very proactive. Either I'll pull you up or... All right, there you are. So Ghazala sister, by the way, Aziz bhai और Ghazala appa के बारे में मैंने बात नहीं की. Hold on, they are special parents for us. So Ghazala sister, you are responsible for mother's fitness session. Monica ma'am ko, we are going to make sure that she's doing special exercises. All of you are responsible. अगर नहीं आएंगे तो अजीज भाई का हाल देख लीजिए Ghazala भाभी के हाथ में. So please come and join that session. कब रखना है वो कोऑर्डिनेट करेंगे और बताएंगे. और बाय द वे, आई सी उमर की वो ड्राइंग क्लास थी मेरी बाईसाइकिल में. अजीज भाई भी ड्रॉ कर रहे थे. तो प्लीज ऐड अप, वो फीस में वो ऐड होगा. फादर्स की एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस में मैं ऐड करूंगा वो. राइट, वी आर डूइंग गुड, इजंट इट? Yes, some of the classes, the teachers are not there. Oh, I did a session called Boys Don't Grow Up. Yes, absolutely. We want to know the secret of good marriages, and we are looking at Aziz bhai. Aziz bhai ने कहा भाई ये सब चीजें हटा दो, वो सब मर्सी वर्सी कुछ नहीं, सबर होता है. सबर और suffering are the secret of good marriages, Aziz bhai says. Right. So on that note, I think yes, Eid ki chuttiyan. Okay, thank you so much for letting me know. Go slow on the art classes. I will put a point. Actually, I've done that. Last Curie class jo thi, wo to khair, it was a bicycle because I had to take up one of the class. But we did origami and we realized thoda tough ho gaya tha bachcho ke liye. But we'll experiment. As long as we are learning, we are looking at it as an experiment. It's okay to fail. It's okay. Kabhi kabhi nahi hoga experiment, but we are doing good. All right. Eid ke liye chuttiyan hain. You tell me how many days holidays you want. So 31st ko Eid hai most likely. Is that right? Asim, Amir, anybody else? Sarfraz bhai, I think if he's joined in, mashallah, Sister Aisha is here. So
3 days fine.
3 दिन काफी है. So I think Friday को ईद आ रही है. Oh, 10 दिन छुट्टी है. No, साकिब भाई हम दुबई में नहीं रहते. 10 दिन छुट्टी है तो सोच भी नहीं. We are not living in Dubai. वो आदत होगी साकिब भाई आपको. All right, Shabana ma'am, there's some great messages for your classes. They're awesome, right? I think वो इमरान भाई लिख रहे हैं chat में. Don't worry. वो प्राइवेट चैट इमरान भाई का. साकिब भाई, yes, please go ahead. अस्सलाम वालेकुम साकिब भाई.
अस्सलाम. दाऊद भाई 10 दिन नहीं, बच्चे तो सिर्फ एक दिन में खुश हो जाएंगे. They look forward to the classes. रात में बेचारे जल्दी सो जाते हैं. अभी नेक्स्ट डे क्लास होती है तो.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह साकिब, जज़ाकल्लाह. और अल्लाह से इतनी खुशी हुई, दुआ मांग रहा, सबर शुक्र करता हूँ कि आपके दोनों बेटे आप जैसे नहीं है. नहीं, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, आई एम सीइंग मोहम्मद एंड अब्दुल्ला ओपनिंग अप, दे टॉकिंग, एंड तकरीबन 3 से 5 दिन की छुट्टियां हम सोच रहे हैं, just to allow them the freedom. तो जुमा को फ्राइडे को ईद है मोस्ट लाइकली शायद, बट दुबई में अगर एक दिन पहले है तो वील प्लान दैट अराउंड, but don't worry. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we might take Monday and Tuesday also. No, just giving a mental break to the kids also, and we are doing that inshallah. Jazakallah.
भाई ये जो assessment होगा उसमें as you said कि they can open the books and it's okay. तो
Right.
is this all around the year यही करेंगे या just for the beginning? क्योंकि फिर आगे exams में how would they manage?
Correct. No, Saqib bhai, the idea is we'll do different assessment. हम serious assessment भी करेंगे, but चूंकि ये एक महीने बाद पहला assessment है, और you know आप मुझे जानते हैं कितनी थ्योरीज पढ़ के अपनाने को मिलता है यहाँ हम लोग को. द आइडिया इज यू नो डॉक्टर सुगाता मित्रा का एक सेशन था बहुत अच्छा असेसमेंट का. उससे हम बच्चों को कभी कभी डिस्करेज करते हैं कि आंसर ढूंढ के लाओ. तो ये असेसमेंट जो होगा अगर बच्चे गूगल से ढूंढेंगे भी, जैसे श्रुति मैम से बहुत दिन बात रही थी, वी हैड टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग, अल्फिया मैम थे, शाजिया एंड शबाना मैम, हमने कहा कि बच्चे हमको एज अ टीचर हम जानते हैं वो उसने खुद आंसर किया. वी आर नॉट सेइंग यू हैव टू ओनली लुक एट गूगल, बट अगर नहीं आता है तो सर्च द आंसर, get the answer, then teacher will do viva voice. जैसे हम लोग हमारे प्रैक्टिकल्स में करते थे, you know, जैसे पीएचडी में होता है, जैसे थीसिस में होता है. अब टीचर को पता चल जाएगा कि बच्चे ने आंसर दिया है या नहीं दिया है, खुद ढूंढा है कि नहीं दिया, पर उस बहाने एटलीस्ट बच्चा ढूंढ रहा है. दैट इज इटसेल्फ अ लर्निंग. कुछ भी नहीं आता था, अब ढूंढना तो सही मैंने. तो ये एक असेसमेंट है. नेक्स्ट टाइम विल हैव पीयर असेसमेंट, जब ग्रुप्स बना के करेंगे. थर्ड टाइम देयर बी लाइक अ प्रॉपर कैम्ब्रिज टाइप असेसमेंट में आपको कुछ भी नहीं अलाउ किया जाएगा देखने को, बट बाय द टाइम वो इतना कंफर्टेबल हो जाएंगे ये कॉन्सेप्ट से एग्जाम से, दे विल नॉट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ द एग्जाम. सो बारकल्लाह. नो डोंट वरी इंशाल्लाह. ये तो बट इसीलिए आप लोग को इसलिए बताना जरूरी है कि मुझे बच्चों से अपने आप लोग से कि आप लोग बच्चों को अलाउ नहीं करेंगे देखने के लिए कि हमने तो एग्जाम ऐसे नहीं दी, हमारी जिंदगी टॉर्चरस थी स्कूल में, तुम लोग कैसे एंजॉय कर सकते हो. मुझे शिकायत आई एक फादर की, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आप जैसी ही माशाल्लाह, कि भाई दाऊद भाई हमारे बच्चे खाली हंस रहे हैं क्लास में, पढ़ रहे कि नहीं पढ़ रहे.
हाँ, ये डाउट तो सबको रहेगा.
आमिर ये ना ये जेलसी वाली है, ये हसद की फीलिंग है कि हम लोग हमारे बच्चे क्यों हंस रहे हैं.
हाँ बराबर. मेरी एक बच्ची बोलती है मैं एग्जाम दे रही हूँ, और छोटा वाला बोलता मेरा एग्जाम ही नहीं हो रहा है.
तो ये असेसमेंट वीक है, विल मेक अ बिग डील अबाउट इट. बच्चों को बताया जाएगा असेसमेंट है, और टीचर्स को उनके नेचर के ऊपर असेसमेंट हमने कहा देने को. यू नो आप श्रुति मैम के असेसमेंट बिल्कुल डिफरेंट देखेंगे, शबाना मैम का अलग देखेंगे, एंड दे विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट लाइफ इज लाइक दैट. बट इंशाल्लाह दे विल बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर प्रॉपर राइटिंग. सी एक रूल है कि इफ दे लाइक द टीचर दे विल गो टू एनी लेंथ टू प्रूव द टीचर इज राइट. मतलब टीचर को खुश करने के लिए व्हेन ये बॉन्ड जो बनता है, यू नो आज मुझे बड़ा ताजुब होता है, समवन दे हैव नॉट मेट and yet they're willing to be, you know, for the teacher, they will write, they will speak up. This is the lesson we are learning inshallah. तो ईद की छुट्टी हो गई, एग्जाम असेसमेंट के बारे में हो गया. हाँ, असेसमेंट के दौरान one of the thing we are floating out, we may not have a fitness class and we'll discuss that internally, but most likely we may not have that for 2 days, जो उनका होता है. Anything else, yeah, queries will also have assessment. बिल्कुल क्यूरी का भी असेसमेंट होगा, उनके भी पेपर्स आएंगे. 3-4 फॉर्मेट है असेसमेंट के. एक मोस्ट कॉमन फॉर्मेट जो होगा, आपको गूगल क्लासरूम में पेपर दिया जाएगा और फ्लिप क्लासरूम के दिन पेपर अपलोड होगा, और 1 घंटे का टाइम होगा, उनको आंसर ढूंढना है वो 1 घंटे में और उनको अपलोड करना है. In case you are not able to upload, you reach out to me or the particular teacher and you can take a snapshot and send a WhatsApp photo. Only if you cannot, try to use Google Classroom, and that is one. दूसरा फॉर्मेट है कि गूगल क्लासरूम में फॉर्म बनाया जाएगा. दीज आर मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन. सो क्यूरी के लिए, साइंस के लिए मल्टीपल चॉइस है. देयर इज अ रेगुलर क्लासरूम में स्पीकिंग अप ऑप्शन है, इंग्लिश में कुछ लिखने का होगा. सो देयर विल बी डिफरेंट फॉर्मेट्स, बट वी विल बी टीचिंग एवरी चाइल्ड क्या होने वाला है. Thank you so much, Bashir bhai, I'll read out what you said. The kids sharing ideas in business studies session, enjoying and benefiting from each other. Absolutely. The whole idea of these sessions are कि कुछ value addition हो. You know, and that is why I keep seeking out good mentors, good teachers. I remember हमारी एक class, Alfia ma'am was there, and this was very boring guest lecture. होता है कभी-कभी guest lectures बहुत bore करते हैं, but the patience my kids have shown is remarkable. मतलब ये नहीं है कि you know manners उनके अच्छे नहीं हो रहे, because अखलाक इतना ही important है जितना इल्म है मेरे लिए. तो I'm seeing the अखलाक well. You know कभी-कभी होते हैं बच्चे सो के बात कर रहे हैं, and I tell teacher, you know, you can tell them, you can absolutely tell them, come on, get up, sit properly, and the kids do that. It's okay. No, don't worry. If queries cannot read, the parents are allowed to support them. आप उनको रीड करके आंसर मत बताइए, आपको उनको क्वेश्चन रीड करके बताइए ना सर. डोंट वरी, ये मार्क्स कहीं नहीं जाएंगे, कभी रिकॉर्ड नहीं होते हैं. It's not even going to, we are not going to even tell them the marks. It's internal assessment के लिए. But if your child is not answering and you help them and they get 20 out of 20 example, then I will not know if the child needs help or not. So don't, right? No, barakallah, jazakallah comment. Any other suggestion? So I've covered everything with regards to holidays ho gaya, exam week ho gayi, experiments ho gaye. So who's going to come and help me with regards to my guest lectures? I really want some of your guest lectures coming in. I'm very proud. Kausar came and did a baking class. I want, imagine one thing I'll tell you. Agar aap ek guest lecture lete hain, trust me, your son or your daughter will be so proud of you. And then, ek thoda value बढ़ जाता है कि my father took a session and I would like you all to do a session. So you can suggest, if you can WhatsApp us, inshallah, whenever you want. Sister wants to do a guest section, all right. I know I will want a session from you, Sister Mumtaz, definitely. So on that note, mashallah, I think some of you are doing some great classes online. You are teaching other children. Why not come and do a session for them? I would love somebody to do a fitness session for my kids. Agar aap log koi aur log ko jante hain, I reached out to some of my friends saying, agar Irfan Pathan ko koi janta hai, Yusuf Pathan ko, aajkal ghar mein hi baithe honge na, free honge. Agar unko dhoond ke la sakte to ek session mere bachchon ke liye ho jaye. We want people to reach out to their friends, people they know, connect 1, 2, 3, and get guest lectures for my children. Anything else? We'll take 1 or 2 questions and we'll end up. We have some time before Maghrib. Koi aur sawal, koi aur suggestion? I think you've got only books that are not there is Mandela's books, जो अभी तक आई नहीं है pandemic में, but the teachers learning has not stopped. The Mandela बाकी सारी books आ गई हैं. You would have got the new maths book also, so I'm okay with that. Anything you want to add up? The teachers, Alfia ma'am, why don't you speak up? And teachers, Shabana ma'am, Shazia, just want to share something about. Okay, you want to do on fire and fire safety? I would love to. Aziz bhai, यहाँ marketing नहीं कर सकते हैं ATS की, AFT firefighters, but I will be happy if you can show a demo. Aziz bhai कहते हैं मैं रोज घर में fire fighting करता हूँ, तो मैं बच्चों को भी बता दूंगा. Right. I would be very happy if you do a session on that. Anyone else would like to do that? So we are good to go. कोई और सवाल, कोई और suggestion है? In terms of the parents? Okay, Jazakallah Qasim bhai, IT and digital technology sessions on Mandela, absolutely, it's part of the curriculum, and I think we were just waiting for getting the right instructor for that. If you could tell me with some guests, and we will do a proper coding session. Coding is not so keen, but I want to do introduction to digital technology. It's a great point. I'm making a note. Hindi and Marathi, yes, thank you for making that. We are inviting guests to speak to them. So it will not be a full-time subject, Hindi and Marathi, but I am very keen कि हिंदी मराठी वो lectures हो, 1-2 हो, so उनको at least ये नहीं हो कि इस languages अच्छे नहीं हैं. So we are going to do Hindi Marathi. That's a great point. Enterprise resource would be wonderful. Samir bhai, welcome. I would be happy to attend it. I think you should do one for the fathers also. I made a note of these, and these are being also being recorded. So I'll make a note of all the suggestions you're doing in, and that's wonderful. There are 2 things that I want to add on. Yes, thank you for the point. Mandela के लिए हम passion project शुरू करें. What is the passion project? We're going to introduce something that they love doing. Anything. It could be filmmaking, it could be photography, it could be coding, it could be research, it could be flags, it could be drawing, it could be conversing, it could be interviews, it could be making YouTube videos, and then they will be allowed to do that work. Of course, when it was in WeWork, you would get a mentor to them, so they would reach out to that mentor, and they will be only speaking about that apne passion project, and we will have. Next time when I do a parenting session, I will invite my children to speak here. So you will see them speak about the passion project next month, hopefully, or a month later. So that is one thing. We are also doing a movie making project. So आप थोड़े वक्त के लिए अपने मोबाइल अपने बच्चों को दे सकते हैं. Already आप देते हैं. So whenever they ask you, allow them, because हम लोग एक team बना रहे हैं और they are going to make movies with 2 different teams. And it's, hopefully we will make, they dabang नहीं बनाएंगे, don't worry, but at least documentary भी नहीं बनेगी. The movie will be interesting. Mental health awareness, I think we are very strong kids mentally, but yes, I made a note of that. Jazakallah for asking me to do it. But मेरा सबसे अच्छा काम यही है कि 5-10 मिनट पहले आ जाता हूँ, बच्चों से बात करता हूँ, I get inputs from them, so I enjoy my conversation. But I agree to these pointers. I think your pointers are very valuable. Mental health awareness is also important. Grit and value is ज़रूरी है. Not giving up easily. ये सब छोटी-छोटी चीजें हैं that makes up what they are. So on that note, oh, I would be so happy. Please, Sharif bhai, आई विल नॉट रिवील आप किसके साथ फोटो ले रहे हैं, बट अभी आपने बोला है तो शरीफ भाई ने, हम लोग खाली फुटबॉल वाले जानते हैं शरीफ भाई, वो आपकी सीक्रेट है, राइट? किसी को पता नहीं आपने गोविंदा के साथ फोटो ली, पर खाली फुटबॉल वाले ही जानते हैं। शरीफ भाई प्लीज गेट मी द डायरेक्टर, मुझे इतनी खुशी होगी, और जरूर मैं जरूर इससे एटलीस्ट शरीफ भाई तो सेशन में है, सिस्टर मुमताज आई एम सो प्राउड, दिख नहीं रही पर सेशन में है, दिस इज आई थिंक पहला सेशन है शरीफ भाई है, माशाअल्लाह, जज़ाकल्लाह खैर, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। देखिए फादर सेशन में देखो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, आई एम गेटिंग सम अमेजिंग फादर्स आउट देयर एंड ही इज द कैप्टन। सो ऑन दैट नोट, please tell me anyone else have any suggestions, something is coming up? I'll take one last point, someone's writing, so मैं वो point ले लेता हूँ, then I'll end the session. But I think we are a team, we are a community. Oh mashallah, there you are, how are you? Ali, where is Ejaz bhai? Ejaz bhai, I hope Hashir is enjoying. Are you doing good, Ali? Nice, mashallah.
Yes.
Yes.
Great, Ali, I love the backgrounds you make. You have to teach us on the backgrounds.
Usman has made this.
Usman has made, oh mashallah, he is smart. Usman can do that amazing work. Alhamdulillah. So I think someone was writing something. Please go ahead. On that note, everything else being said, please share any inputs you want to share on the chats also. आप group में भी लिख सकते हैं. There is nothing around it. We're a small team, but inshallah a very strongly unit team. On that note, jazakallah everybody. So assessment week and then Eid holidays, and then we'll see you again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes, I have made a note of that specifically with regards to, I will make a note of, every boy, every son, every child is important to us. I will make a note. I will speak to you offline also, inshallah.
Okay.
Right. Thank you so much, everybody. I'm ending the meeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.